Steve Sparky Fifer. I'm in Manitowoc. It's Jeep Country, baby, here at Van Horn. Today, it's time to talk about lift kits and accessories. Hey, it's Steve Sparky Fifer here with my guy, the general manager here at Van Horn in Manitowoc, Jeep Town, baby. It is Andrew Deisley with me, and I've got questions. I've got a lot of questions for you, Andrew. We have Jeeps. I've seen a Jeep before. I've never seen a Jeep quite raised the way it is with these big fat tires. I feel like I'm looking at like a monster truck my 5-year-old will play with.
You know what, we haven't gotten to monster truck yet. That's our next project. But what we do here is we sell a lot of Jeeps, and particularly we sell Gladiators and Wranglers. That's one of our favorite products, and one of the special things about it is the personalization. So we're very much involved in upfitting Jeeps with different types of accessories for utilization, and we can do it from any kind of level, from basic with just rims and tires to something like what we're looking at here with our Praetorian package.
The Praetorian package?
The Praetorian package.
What
Gladiator, Praetorian, absolutely.
What in the world would I need all of this stuff for here?
Well, that's a good question, Sparky. Now, this bumper is designed to mount on to the Gladiator's frame, and it comes equipped with a Warn Zion winch. That's basically the best winch that Warn has to offer, and it's for the purpose of recovering, either when you're stuck or when somebody else that you know is stuck. Because people don't like to say Jeeps get stuck. Well, they certainly don't if you got a winch just like this one. Okay, Sparky, so what we have here is our Black Horse roll bar. It's an aftermarket setup that we found, and it's taken us a couple of different tries with different roll bars to find one that we like. What we like about this one is not only does it fit, but it bolts up to the top of your bed, so you don't have to worry about drilling holes inside your bed.
Oh.
And it'll fit a tonneau cover right underneath by removing this plate, so it's really nice. We bolted up the best KC lights up towards the top, just like the old school style.
Sure. And
then down at the bottom we put our 2-inch Mopar lift with Fox shocks, and then we added the Fuel Militias and the Fuel Gripper all-terrain tire on top in 37s. So we didn't go too monster truck, but we went as close as we could.
All right, Angel, now I got it, right? So Black Horse, KC lights, all good stuff. Militia tires, they're almost as tall as I am. Let's check out the interior on this bad boy.
Now, Sparky, the cool thing about these newer generation Gladiators and Wranglers is if you're doing an upfit and you're setting up your vehicle with some different lights, you can integrate them right in the dash right here with our auxiliary switch bank. So anytime you add lights, all you have to do is hit a button and then on goes that certain light setup. It's real simple, no wires hanging, and nothing you have to stick to your dash. It's real easy to use.
What is this?
Well, Sparky, what this is a snorkel.
A what?
A snorkel. Similar to when you're swimming underneath in shallow water. If you get over the water fording distance on this vehicle, this helps that engine breathe without getting water inside it.
It's been unbelievable hanging out here at Van Horn, learning about lift kits and learning about accessories on all these different Jeeps. But guess what? They can do it for your Ram trucks too. And they have 3 locations all over Wisconsin: Stoughton, Plymouth, and right here in Manitowoc. You can go to any one of the 3 locations and they'll take care of it for you. They're #1 at what they do. I gotta know, why in the world would I be in water that high to need a snorkel?
Well, Sparky, sometimes it's not about the destination, it's about the journey.